Welcome to the future of ophthalmic diagnostics. In a field where precision dictates outcomes and clarity drives decisions, we present the Optitech Slit Lamp Alpha LED, a masterpiece of optical engineering designed for the discerning eye care professional. The Optitech Slitlamp Alpha LED represents the pinnacle of anterior segment examination technology. Crafted with precision and built for reliability, this instrument combines German optical standards with cutting-edge LED illumination to deliver unparalleled diagnostic capability. Let's explore the complete technical excellence. Model: Alpha LED Observation System. Galilean binocular observation tube with perfectly collimated prisms. Interpupillary distance. Adjustable from 55 to 75 millimeters. Dioptric correction. Helical adjustment from -5 to +5 diopters. Magnification system. Two-step flip turret changer with 1x and 1.8 times objectives. Eyepieces. Wide field 10 times and 15 times. Pair total magnification. Options 10 times, 16 times, 15 times and 24 times. Slit width continuously adjustable from 0 to 14 millimeters. Slit aperture. Multiple settings including 0.2 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 12 millimeters and wedge-shaped diaphragm slit rotation. Full 180-degree capability. Illumination system. Advanced LED with variable intensity. Control. Filters. Comprehensive set including red-free, cobalt blue, heat absorption, yellow and green filters. Tilting capability. Illumination arm tilts up to 20 degrees. The heart of our Alpha LED is its revolutionary illumination system. Experience instant full brightness with no warm-up time. Enjoy consistent white light with superior color, rendering for accurate diagnosis. Benefit from significantly longer lifespan, up to 50,000 hours, compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The energy-efficient design reduces power consumption by over 60% while generating minimal heat for enhanced patient comfort. The Alpha LED is your ultimate diagnostic partner for comprehensive anterior segment examination, detailed corneal and conjunctival analysis, precise foreign body detection and localization, advanced contact lens, fitting assessment, in-depth cataract evaluation, thorough glaucoma screening, routine patient examinations with hospital-grade precision. Every Alpha LED comes complete with dust cover, testing rod, breathe shield, spare bulb, ruby lens and slit reflection mirror. All protected by export-worthy, jerk-free packaging. Optional accessories available. Imported motorized table, applanation, tonometer, beam splitter with C-mount for photography. HD camera systems with recording capability, assistant observation, tube eyepiece, mobile camera, attachments backed by 1-year comprehensive manufacturing warranty for your peace of mind. Manufactured by Tarun Enterprises, an ISO 13485:2016 certified company, ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability. Every prism and optic features blue coating and antifungal treatment for lasting performance. Ready to transform your diagnostic capabilities with the Optitech Slitlamp Alpha LED? Contact us today for demonstrations, pricing and technical specifications. Visit www.optitecheyecare.com. Call WhatsApp +9 1817 6080 204. Email info@optitecheyecare.com. Optitech, where precision meets innovation. Your vision, our commitment.